Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time seeing this face, I am Alice and you're welcome to the channel. To my returning subscribers, you guys know you're the best. Yeah, so guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys the result of using rosemary oil for 3 weeks. I mean, not exactly 3 weeks. Yeah, today is Wednesday. It's actually going to be 3 weeks by Friday, but I want to take it down today. So yeah, so I've been using it. I'm going to show you guys the initial video on how the hair looked like before I started using the rosemary oil. Yes, so guys, I have new growth. I have new growths. I can tell that I have new growths, and I'm going to take this down with you guys, and I will be washing my hair as well, although I'm still like contemplating if I should wash it or not, because I'm not ready. I'm just planning to do an all back that I'll carry for next week, for just a week, because my exam is starting next week. So I just want to carry just a simple style for just 1 week, then I can wash the hair, since it will complete 1 month without washing. But I may end up washing it, I don't know, depending on my mood. When I'm done taking out this braid, if I still have the strength to wash it, then I'll definitely wash it, and you guys are gonna see it. But yeah, wait, let's see the results of this rosemary that everybody has been hyping, I've been seeing everywhere online. Okay, so it was full. I mean, not exactly full, but then it was more than this. So I used it several times in a week, maybe 3 times or 4 times, depending on how I feel the hair is. If it needs oil, if it doesn't, I skip, like that. So yeah, so this is what I'm going to do now. I'm going to put the oil in the scalp to make it easy as I'm taking it down, to make it easy. Yeah, so I'm actually scared because this hairstyle, some of my hair is still around this, and I actually put this in hot water to get the coils, and so I just hope it can't be bad, since I've been moisturizing my hair often, the regular time, according to how I do my routine. So yeah, so I'm gonna take it down, and then so I want this. Guys, the taking down is so easy. The hair feels really soft, I must say. Like, wow, you guys see, like, you can even see how the hair is even shining. Like, can you see? Wow. Okay, wow. I don't even know how many post relax I am right now. I'll have to go and check my dates, go and check my calendar. So I'm going to take the rest down for you guys to see. So guys, I want to detangle it because I discover it's easier to detangle individually while you're taking it down, because when it becomes so much, it becomes really difficult to detangle. So
you want to make a constant they lose, I mean.
Yes, now don't share.
You know if you consider for you.
Guys, this thing is going like it's just, I don't know, it feels really soft, really soft. Like, hey, Wow, wow, wow. I'm impressed. I'm impressed. Okay. I'm really impressed. Even my new growth is not even hard. It's not hard at all. It's how the hair is shiny for me. Honestly, guys.